Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest crafts and decor tips. Join our community and let's create beautiful things together. See you in the next video. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of crafting beautiful, functional shelves from discarded wood. Not only is this eco-friendly, but it also opens up a lucrative opportunity to turn scrap into stunning home decor pieces that sell well in the market. Using discarded wood is both sustainable and cost-effective. Many people overlook the potential of old, unused wood pieces, but with a little creativity, these materials can be transformed into eye-catching shelves. This approach reduces waste and offers customers unique, handcrafted decor that adds character to any space. Begin by sourcing quality discarded wood, pallets, old furniture, or scrap planks from construction sites. Clean and sand the wood thoroughly to ensure smooth surfaces. Proper preparation is key to creating professional-looking shelves that are durable and appealing to buyers. Design is crucial when making shelves from discarded wood. Simple, rustic, or modern styles can be achieved depending on your target market. Sketch your ideas beforehand, considering sizes, shapes, and finishes. Custom designs can command higher prices and attract niche customers seeking personalized decor. Painting or staining your shelves can significantly increase their market value. Choose colors and finishes that complement modern or vintage interiors. Eco-friendly paints and natural stains appeal to environmentally conscious buyers, helping you carve a niche in the decorative home goods market. Photography plays a vital role in marketing your shelves. Use good lighting and styled settings to showcase your products on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest. High-quality images attract more customers and help you build a brand reputation for quality and creativity. Pricing your handcrafted shelves competitively is essential for making a profit. Factor in costs like materials, labor, and marketing. Research similar products online to gauge market prices. Offering discounts or bundle deals can also attract more buyers and increase overall sales volume. Diversify your product range by creating different styles, sizes, and finishes. Offer custom orders for clients seeking personalized designs. Participating in craft fairs, local markets, or establishing an online store can expand your reach and generate consistent income from your craft. In conclusion, turning discarded wood into beautiful shelves is both eco-friendly and profitable. With creativity and effort, you can build a thriving craft business. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends to spread the inspiration. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your support motivates us to create more content.